Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today I'm going to show you a coconut shaped cake. So let's get started. So I have crumb coated the cake. So now I'm going to apply some cream over the cake. I'm just going to apply some little cream over the cake. Now I'm going to give some brown color to the sides of the cake to give a coconut shaped look. So I have applied the brown color. So smooth out the excess. So this is a very simple cake. So simple coconut shaped cake. Always use a scraper for smoothing the cream. First you have to apply the cream with the palette knife and then you have to smooth out the cream with scraper. So the sides of the cake have been covered with brown color. Now with the help of a fork, I'm just going to scrape the cream. Your hand should be very light while doing this, otherwise all your cream will be come out. This is just to give a proper coconut shape, that's it. Now from the top of the cake, I'm going to cut and remove some cream so that it will look like a coconut shaped cake. So first I'm giving very small cut. If I need more, then I will again scoop out some more cake. So now I'm going to scoop out the cake. So I'm going to remove the first layer of the cake, that's it. Be very gentle while removing the cake, otherwise your whole cake will be spoiled. So I have removed half of the part, some more is remaining. After removing the cake, I'm going to apply some cream. Now I'm going to apply white cream, that is whipping cream. On top of the cake I need white color, and from sides I need brown color. While watching my video, do like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Now I have covered the top using cream. Inside also I am going to use the cream, same white one. So basically the top portion should be covered fully with whipping cream. Now I have applied the cream. Now using a spatula, I'm going to smooth the cream. Very lightly we are going to remove the excess. So the excess have been removed. While doing this, your hand should be very light. Now from inside also I am going to smooth the cream. This is a tough part, so smooth the cream. So I have finished smoothing the cream. Okay, now the coconut shape is good, proper. Now into this I'm going to add some neutral gel. In neutral gel I have mixed water, that's it. This is neutral gel and this is a sweet one. So to give a look-alike coconut water, I have used neutral gel mixing with some water. So our coconut is ready and our coconut water is also ready now. I have just tried the different cake using a cream. Using fondant you can make whatever design you like, but using a cream is very difficult. So now I'm just smoothing the sides of the cake to give a proper look. Very lightly I'm just smoothing the cream using a scraper. So our coconut shaped cake is ready now. Now for decoration part, I'm just going to put some cherries side of the cake. Thanks for watching.